name is Alexander Vergara. I am 20 years old. I am studying in technology, radiology, and diagnostic machines. I live in Medellin. And with which of the not seven wonders on the world do you think the maxim with the most incredible wonder is Machu Picchu? Interest facts. Interest that the word tax my memory incredibly is Machu Picchu. In Quechua, montaña located in Peru, in the department of Fox, in the province of Lavanda. It is currently a World Heritage by UNESCO and the most visited tourist destination in Peru. This caught my attention because it is a city that is living in this area. Population are stand are living in the two neighborhoods, one on which housing the most important temple, food and the home and the real family, and the agriculture sector, with its system of the terrace and irrigating champion. The the archaeologists use that it was born the 15th century by the Incas, but its function remains a mystery. This is strong that is why city very population be inability. In addition to Luxor, has no pros and calories, virus other forms can vary throughout the population. Hence, this book did not lie, indeed the city was a love story. The artillery is tells us that in naval artillery is the localization Hawaii owns the plans of the mountains 5-6 meters above the level of the twin and meters above the level. Geographically is located in the decoration on the Peru Triangle. Its selection one is managed a construction for nights approximately 534 men, and long is 200 mm, with 172 volume in the urban area. But Machu Picchu is like the main tourism destination in Peru, with 6,000 visitors per year, and therefore there is big crowds from around the world. The experience is include Machu Picchu is the house famous plant in world represent Peru and in this week there is contemporary stone pan and Louis landscapes and lake is very calm loves. So this is capable nutrition as is Sophie Undurier, platform and found it to you from one of the seven al Machupichu. I would like you to be with me at this time at all. The story of for the indigenous. It is a very large city and is actually located in the middle of the lake spans to get not from the one so long because wearing I think I think this world is beautiful lakes my mother be main with natural things very good having they were sparing about it is temporary is this not and it is not good. I think you should homes is and have a nice time now cultures. I hope you hear Henry your son when they come. Sincerely, Alice Thank you.